I remember when we first got here over a decade ago, development had really affected Clear Creek and salmon couldn't get upstream. And now look at it. This is just one spot. It's amazing what's possible when people come together.
Since 2014, Clean Water Kitsap has brought local partners together around one shared goal: protecting the water that shapes life here, because no single agency can do it alone. Clean water depends on many kinds of work: restoring salmon habitat, reducing flooding, eliminating polluted runoff, and preparing for the impacts of growth and development. That's where partnership matters the most. Our partners help people take care of their land and water in practical, everyday ways, from farm planning support to installing rain gardens. Public health teams monitor local water quality, helping protect people from pollution-related health risks in streams, beaches, and shellfish areas. Utility staff track rainfall, streams, and groundwater across the county. And local educators bring hands-on programs into homes and communities, sharing simple ways to care for yards, shorelines, and waterways for the long term. 5 organizations, 1 mission, turning local action into lasting impact. Decades ago, many of these waters weren't safe to swim in. Today, they're open. Once, runoff carried pollution straight into our streams. Today, more of it's being filtered, slowed, and managed. Where habitat was lost, restoration is bringing it back. 275 acres of stream habitat improved, 550 rain gardens installed, 13,000 volunteer hours contributed, 40,000 students in our stormwater education programs, and so much more. Together, we've accomplished a lot since 2014, and strengthening our partnerships will ensure that work continues for generations to come. Because behind every clean beach, healthy stream, and protected shoreline is something simple: people working together.
What we've accomplished together is something we can all be proud of. And I think it's just the beginning.